Good morning. This is Sean Awanis from Training Wheels Marketing. I want to welcome you guys aboard. This is going to be the first edition of our slide share. And what I'm basically doing is going into detail on who we are and what our plans are, what our goals and hopes and dreams are. Find out if it's a nice fit for you to join our team. First and foremost, we want to have more of a family and professional networking of people that want to be successful at their business. So let's begin. We're mobile apps. Who are we? Well, throughout the United States, we have a great team of people that have been in the social media industry or the professional marketing industry for a very long time. We all have 20 to 30 years experience. Some of us have been CEOs of companies. Some of us have been the H&R directors of big organizations from Canadian companies all the way through the United States. What do we do? We succeed. That's all there is to it. What we've taken the platform and the program that we have had before and we've moved into the mobile app industry because we know where everything is going. How well do we do it? We're about to see. This QR code is a single QR code that actually gives you guys the opportunity to scan it and go to all of our social sites. So if you want to learn about us, you can watch introductional videos. You can go to our Facebook page, like it, follow Twitter. Monetizing all of your social media is what we're trying to do in the best of both worlds. Get everything all monetized down to one single use, so that way it's easier for you to see your guys' growth, input maybe some social media postings, or let them read you and read your postings and follow you a lot easier. Let's move on. If you come aboard Training Wheels Marketing, we're going to ask you guys to give us a headshot, a nice little bio, because we're going to include it in our app as well. Make it fun. Let's make it human. Too much profession is not important. We want to remain normal and fun to do business with. So let's be real. Social media, I want you guys to do your research on social media, create all the necessary accounts, join the team with us on Google Hangouts, Google Hangouts, Facebooks, Twitters. We're going to give you guys a login code so that way you guys can make postings for the company on behalf of the company as well. Attend some or at least all or some of the video trainings, the webinars, Google Hangouts, and the Join Me's. This program we used the other day was Join.me, and it worked okay. But we're going to be looking for some new ways to get the message out to you guys so you guys get you up to date. We want to be impeccable, of course, remain transparent, which means that transparency is very important to the business owner. We want to put out there exactly what we can do, and we can shoot the moon, but we have to sell what we can provide as a service, which is great customer service, and we're always courteous. The production aspect of it all, obviously we have the technology, inspiration, and we're dedicated, and we want you to be the same. Mobile app sales and downloads have reached over 1 billion and growing. Now, the major software, 40 app builders and small businesses, and we're definitely in line to be one of the biggest. We're supported by the biggest software company in the world that just launched in Japan, and we've been given the green light to go out there and sell any part of the world that we want. So let's get active. As you can see, we're attacking all of the international United States, and as well as trying to go overseas to see which countries would be the most effective for us to work. So if you guys want to travel, this is the perfect opportunity. Our website's informative. Trainingwheelsmarketing.com or twmp.biz. It gives you an opportunity to take your customers to it, and you can teach them exactly what it is that we do. Even after you leave, after they want to read the content themselves, they'll be able to find out real quick exactly how easy the program is to understand. The Wall Street Journal, New York Times, and TechCrunch, they've written articles about the software company and about the software that we're using. We're lucky to be right in line with them. Ladies and gentlemen, you guys are going to be a part of a really growing software company that's going to allow us an opportunity to do so many different things. Moving right along, these are some of the features that we have. Now, because we're moving on a slideshow, you can always pause the video. So look at all these slides here, all these tie-ins and of course, third-party integrations. It works really well with every one of the systems that they have put in place. And all we're doing is just monetizing and mobilizing their sites. And then we're going to continue to move on. Our prices are affordable, obviously, $59 a month on the lowest level, which is a mobile website. They could pay the $79 or the $99 version. How do we make money? Well, I give you guys a portion of the design setup fee, obviously, and we figure there's about a 250 cost factor in that, so you guys would get a percentage anywhere from 20% all the way up to 35% for our superstars and management opportunity. We promote within. So you get out there, you start selling mobile apps. We start providing sales teams underneath you, and we're the ones that train them. All you have to do is just watch over them, make sure that they have the opportunity, and you're of course approachable. In the back end of the website, when somebody decides they want to go ahead and move forward with it, they don't need you to come back out. They can very simply just go to the Recurly site, input all the information in there. Their credit card information is already deducted, and when this all clears, you get your check. We're looking to pay every Friday or every other Friday. It's not a perfect system just yet. I know that there's salespeople out there that need money now. So what I'm looking to do is I'm looking to um, try to find a way to get salespeople money quick. So if you sell 2 to 3 within that week, we're hoping to get your money as soon as the information, the money clears. Okay. The CRM, I'm a sales guy, and the majority of the people that are working on this team are all traditional salespeople. And we've developed a CRM with another company. Actually, they developed it and gave us the opportunity to use it. I purchased CRM so that way our salespeople can find their leads and generate their leads quickly. So we provide all the leads in your industry. All you have to do is learn how to use this. It's real simple. Stand by. So your customer and your clients log in and they get access to the back end, which is push notifications, push messaging. Let me give you an example of that. Okay, so they can set up their calendar days based on their lunch specials. It automatically goes out at the time and the date. You can have as many push messages at no charge. So people that are using these SMS text messaging, they can throw all that away. They don't have to pay a service anymore. They can use this service to get the message to whoever their VIP members are quickly. In addition to that, if they have a diner or a place that they want to try to create social buzz, they can run specials they wouldn't normally run on the calendar events. Buy one with the purchase of a soda just to get people in, because action creates action, and I believe that firmly. Okay, so easy to use functions, delivers in real-time messages and live updates. So as they make changes, they go live. Here's a calendar event right here. The calendar event is going to allow them to go ahead and put in everything by the calendar date. They just sit back and allow their messages to get sent. Now this is great for employers because a lot of times they try to do it themselves. And I know I'm speaking fast, but I only have about 7 more minutes to record. What they could do is whenever they have their office ladies or front desk girls, this is stuff that they can give them a login username for, and they can go in and input it, so that way it frees up a lot of their time. And one of the biggest selling points to these employers and business owners is, look at it, frees up your time to do so many other things. It seems like the days and the nights are getting shorter. And of course, professional presentation. This is what your app looks like once it's complete, and this is what they see when it's time to go out. So you send this out on a push notification, and then they click the QR code to whatever applies. This is the CRM for the salespeople on the back end. Salespeople, you develop yourself a username login, and it's very simple. You easily create this account, you learn about it, and this is what opens up. Right here you have the lead generator. You just type in industry, location, and keywords. So if you wanted to go food in Las Vegas, Nevada, and you want to type in pizza, you could tag it has a web page, Facebook page, Twitter page, open table, Yelp, and email address. It'll populate all your content. You can even separate them by stars, no stars. There's about 4 different ways you could sell this program, and it's really useful. Right here's your lead generator. You can classify them or source them. You can set appointments right here. Move through real quick. And then, of course, it gives you all your metrics. And ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for listening in. My name is Sean Awanis, and I'm just a great team member of Training Wheels Marketing, where we have a great organization, great group of people. If you're interested in joining our team, all you have to do is give us a call.